and I believe that this stock will 10x my money over the next 3 to 5 years. Hey, what's up? My name is Rishabh Savant, and today we're going to do a fundamental analysis of Tattooed Chef, ticker symbol TTCF. I'm sure by now everyone knows what Tattooed Chef is. It's basically a plant-based food company that sells frozen food. I'm very bullish about this company, and I believe that this stock will 10x my money over the next 3 to 5 years. So let's get into my computer. The first thing I look into when I buy a stock is market cap. So Tattooed Chef has a market cap of about $1.82 billion. So Tattooed Chef went public through a SPAC, through a special acquisition company. In 2019, they had a top line of about $84 million. In 2020, they pulled in about $148 million, $148 million. Trailing 12 months, so the last 12 months is $168 million. The net income is not so important right now for this company because it's still in the growth stage. The net income was 4.5 million, and then we had 67 million, and the past 12 months is $54 million. So not bad for a company like this. Now let's look at the balance sheet. What do we have here? Yep, total assets of $43 million, total debt of $14 million. That's really good. And then in 2020, we had total assets of about $266 million, total debt of about 2.2. That's really very impressive, isn't it? Let's look at the cash flow. Even though they are basically making a profit, the cash flow is negative 20 million and negative 39 million. That's because of the acquisitions, channeling all their funds, their profits into like buying new companies and also growing their own business. It's actually a good thing for a company like this because it's still growing. So now let's look into why I'm so bullish about it and where I think this company will be in the next 3 to 5 years. When we think about like the current big food company, Kraft Heinz comes to mind. Kraft Heinz has a market cap of about $53 billion. So I'm not saying that Tattooed Chef will be as big as Kraft Heinz. Maybe they might, I wouldn't be surprised. That's where the world is. I strongly believe that that's where the world is going. Plant-based food is the way to go because it's good for the environment and we don't have to kill animals. I personally believe that maybe in 5 years it's gonna be half as big as Kraft Heinz. So that's about $25 billion market cap. Even in the worst case scenario, we look at this market cap today, and let's say if we look at the next 5 years, if it 10x's from this market cap, it will be worth about $18 billion. I don't think it's very unrealistic when we look at other similar companies that are currently dominating this space. Kraft Heinz with $53 billion. And the thing is, right now, if you look at the PE ratio, forward PE of 76.62, this is a little bit too rich, in my opinion. This had a huge run up in, I think, the last couple of weeks. As we go along in the next coming days, weeks, or even months, if there's a correction in the market, I think this stock will plummet. That's when I will be buying more, because right now I have a very small position and I want to grow it. I'm just waiting for that correction to happen so that I can get in at a more fair value. To wrap up, I will be making more videos similar to this and on Tattooed Chef and maybe some other companies that I'm buying into as well. Thank you and have a great day.